Very good morning. Good morning. Good morning to all of you. Vedi, Pritika, Hiya, please turn on your cameras. Arush, children, you are joining 1 or 2 minutes after the
Camera
class.
problem, so it's not starting.
Okay. Please join on time. Please always join the class 1 or 2 minutes before, not after. Otherwise, then we will be late to start the class. Got it, everyone? Okay, now I start the class. As you already know that yesterday we have discussed few of the questions of summer holiday homework and few are still remaining. So we will continue it. Please be ready with your summer holiday work and please be ready with the pencil in your hand so that you can check the answers. Put a right tick if it is right, put a small cross when it is wrong and write the correct answer near to it. Am I audible, clearly audible to you all? Very good. So I'm going to present my screen now and we'll show you the answers and we will discuss along with it. Right? Show me thumbs up if you all are clear. Here, I request you to please sit properly. Sit properly. And I request everyone to always sit on table and chair so that you should be alert in studies. Vedi, Mohammad Momin, Arush Miani, turn on your camera. I think I don't need to repeat the same thing. Mohammed, I understood your
My
request.
camera is not starting.
Okay, okay. I understood your request. But Vedi and Arush, please turn on your camera and sit. So, children, I'm going to present my screen and okay, Vedi. Vedi, you can see me, right? Okay, children, I'm. Is this something is visible to you all on my screen?
No, ma'am.
But it is showing
Yes,
that
ma'am.
I'm presenting
Yes,
now.
ma'am.
Now,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
answer
Yes,
key is
ma'am.
visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this all we have discussed yesterday. I will scroll down fast.
Ma'am, in fourth part.
Yes, we need to come on the word problems, right? This fill in the blanks we have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so we need to move to the solve the following, which you have done in the notebook. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Please answer me yes or no because when I present, I'll not able to see your thumbs. So when I
Yes.
after presentation, please answer me yes or no. Question number one. Can Jignesh read the question what it is given?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I just want to
Ma'am,
know that
ma'am,
we have to take
in
on
town
the
there.
Wait, wait, wait. Who,
Hello.
yes, Pritika.
ma'am, we have to take in the notebook.
These are the word problems which is already written here that do it in the notebook because in the printout you don't have much space to solve these word problems.
Yes, ma'am, but we are opening the book. We have to take the solution.
Yeah, you have
Okay.
to take the final answer.
Okay.
Okay. Jignesh, start reading.
Yes, ma'am. In
Ma'am, we
town
have to write
there,
You know, wait,
70,
wait. Jignesh, wait.
there 79.
Jignesh, wait. Who is asking we have to write this?
ma'am, mine.
Dear, yesterday, you know, we were discussing the answers.
Ma'am, my network issue was there, so I can't join the class.
Yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday, you were there in the class.
Ma'am, but after I was there in the class, it was showing your network has
Okay.
gone.
So yesterday, listen now. Yesterday we have discussed the answer and I instructed to the students to check their answers. If their answers are right, put a small right tick near to it. If your
Ma'am, my
answer,
summer homework is not done.
so what you do is you take out one revision notebook, which is the long notebook given to you. You write the
Yes,
answers in that. Don't sit simply. Okay. And after the class, you please complete your summer holiday homework and send it to me. I will send the answer key today also. You check all the answers from the beginning. Got it, Dean? Okay. Yes, Jignesh, start. Jignesh is reading this word
Yes,
problem. So please pay attention,
In a
everyone.
town, there 79,536 men, 80,867 women, and 75,069 children. Find the total population of the town.
Very good. Now, I will call the child name. That child will answer me which operation we will apply here. Arav Hapani. Arav Hapani, you are there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. As you know that Jignesh has already read this word problem, the story problem. So do you know which operation we will apply to solve this?
Ma'am, I don't know only which word problem.
Question number, please, I request you to join the class on time. Next time, okay? I will move to the next child and you listen it carefully. Arush Miani. Arush Miani.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you tell me, you know that Jignesh read this question and which operation we will apply here to solve this word problem. My dear, please answer fast. And others, if they know the answer, they please write it in the chat box. Which operation?
Plus.
Plus. Why we do the plus here?
Because we have two joint.
Yes, we have to add, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. We have to add the population of how many children, how many men, how many women are in the town. So if your answer is this, 2,35,472, put a right tick. If it is wrong, put a small wrong and correct the answer. And as you know that in word problem, we write the statement also. And statement is based on the question which is given. So the statement of this question is, first you will write men's in a town. Number of men's in a town, 79,536. Number of women's in a town, 80,867. And number of children in a town, 75,069. After that adding, you need to add them and you will get this answer. Got it, everyone? Now show me yes or no. Thumbs up. If you don't know, thumb down, then I'll explain it again. Okay, can I move?
Yes, ma'am, but I have a doubt.
Yes, Pritika, you are correct that you have written number of men. This way also you can write. Yes, Dheer, please.
Ma'am, but I cannot find that big book.
My dear, it is given in your set, the complete long revision notebook.
Yes, I have written when you said no, we have to write tables in that after CT.
So I need to come to your home and find the notebook? It is your duty, no, to keep all the books at one place. Got it? Right now you can write it in any notebook and then after the class, please find it out.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I can
because
write
any
maths.
notebook. Because from tomorrow, you will need every day the revision notebook. Children, again, I'm telling you from tomorrow, bring your revision notebook every day in the class. Because every day, wait a minute, when teacher is speaking, you need to wait. Every day in the beginning, before starting the class, before starting the new topic of the concept which is going, we will do the revision based on the previous chapters. Got it? And that revision we will do in the revision notebook, which is separately given to you, the long revision notebook, that is the common notebook, right? That you will bring every day in the class. First 5-10 minutes every day we'll do the revision of the previous chapters and then we start the continue concept. Got it, everyone? Show me thumbs up if you all are clear. Is there any child who having a doubt regarding this? Every day you should have your revision notebook with you. Okay. Yes. Any other child who was speaking before? Want to say something?
Yes.
Yes, please.
That
Yes, please. Yes.
solution.
Yes, Hare.
I don't understand that B and C solution.
Yes, I'm moving to that only. This one only, no? The word problems. Hare, word problems only, right? Okay. The next is what number is 58,435 more than 39,211? So, what number is come when this number is to be more than this? Means you need to add.
Yes, ma'am.
Then only you will get 97,646. Got it? If your answer is right, please do it fast. Next, go to the next. A man deposited this amount in a bank and withdraw this amount. Find the money remain in the account. So children, if you have some amount in the bank and then you withdraw some amount. So remaining amount which is left, how you will find out the remaining amount? By addition, subtraction, multiplication or division?
Ma'am, subtraction.
Very good.
Subtraction.
Yes. The population of a village is this. Out of these are males. Find the population of females. So total for population, if in your school, if I say there are 600 students, out of 600 students, 250 are the boys. Out of total 600 students, 250 are boys. How many are girls in that? Can you find out and tell me?
Ma'am, subtraction.
Yeah, then you will do subtraction. But what will be the answer? If 600...
Ma'am, can I tell?
yes.
6,012. No, 6 lakh.
No,
12.
wait. I'm not asking the answer of this question because this is having a big number of digits. Okay, that we will discuss this later. For example, if simple example I give, in a school, there are total 600 students and 250 are boys. So how many are girls?
Ma'am, 350 are girls.
Yes, 350 are girls. So this we have find out by subtracting. If your answer is this one of this answer, please check the answer. Then we move to the next. The sum of two numbers, there are two numbers. It can be A plus B is this one. If one number is this, find the other number. How you will find the other number? By subtracting. If I say there are any two numbers, but the sum is, the total of two number is 5. One number is 3. What is the other number?
Ma'am, 2. Ma'am, 2. Ma'am, 2.
Yes. If I say the total, because two numbers you will add and you will get the answer. When you add these two numbers, your answer, Shivani, everyone need to pay attention here.
Ma'am, I got that revision book.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, please.
Oh, ma'am, I had a doubt on the sum of fifth word problem.
Fifth one.
Yes. So I have not done it. So
You can, when I will send this answer key in the classroom, you can do it later on.
ma'am, but I am asking that what is meaning of the sum of?
Sum of means total. Dheer, please mute your mic. Dheer, you have joined late, facing lot of issues. After that also, your mic is on and you are moving. What do you want to do, my dear? You want to spoil your full period?
No, ma'am.
So please pay attention in the class, my dear. When others also watching to you, they also getting disturbed. Okay. Sum total means the total of two numbers, addition. Sum means addition. The answer in addition is called sum. You know that. Okay. That is the example I'm giving you with the small numbers. Okay. Small numbers, if I'm giving you the example, for example, the sum of any two numbers is 200. Write it in the notebook or somewhere wherever you are doing the rough work. Please write it. The sum means the total of two numbers. Two numbers, which are the two numbers which you don't know. But I tell you the sum of two numbers is 200. One number is 75. What is the other number?
Ma'am, the sum of 200 is
The sum of two number is 200. Two numbers. When you add these two numbers which you
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
know, but the answer is 200. Out of these
Ma'am,
two numbers,
125.
one is 75.
Ma'am,
One number is
125.
75. Only Jignesh is alert in the class. Others are, I think, sleeping in the class. If I say there are two numbers, any two numbers which you don't know, but the total of these two number is 200. One number is 75. What is the other number? Astha, what is the other number?
Ma'am, 125.
Yes, 75. When you from 200, when you subtract the 75, you will get the other number. Got it? That is 125. Same way, when you have, for example, I start with the single digit number. The total of two digits is the two numbers which you don't know, but the total is 5. If one number is 2, what is the other number? No, Jignesh, you will not give the answer. If one,
The question 3.
yes, Arav. The sum of two numbers which you don't know, I will explain it again, Dheer. And Dheer, please put your camera stable again, I'm telling you. And sit at one place. There are two numbers. The sum of two numbers is 5. One number is 2. What is the other number?
3.
3. Yes, I will move to the next now. Now, Dhwani, you got it? What you need to do in this? Fifth one?
yes, ma'am.
Now, sixth one. A man bought a plot of land of rupees this. He spent this on a building material and this on a labor to build the house. How much money did he spend and all? What you will do? Which operation will apply here?
We will add it.
Yeah, suppose you went to the market, you have taken one chocolate, one biscuit packet, one Maggie packet. So if mama say how much you spend, so what you will do in that case? What you will do, Arth Gujarati? In that case, when you went to the market, you have purchased one biscuit packet, one chocolate packet, one Maggie packet. So what you will do if mama asks how much amount you spend together? So what you will do? Which operation you will apply?
Addition.
Yes, addition. You will add the amount of all the things which you have taken. In the same way, here also you will add that for a plot, this much amount span, this much amount for span for material, and this amount span for labor. So how much total span in all? In all means you need to add the total. Got it, everyone? Show me thumbs up if you all are clear. Okay, I'll move to the next now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you said no that fifth one. I know it, but I understood in small number.
You understood, but the concept is same. If you understood in the small number, you need to subtract.
The first number to second number.
Yeah, if you have a total and if you have any one number, so you need to find out the second number. You will subtract. Got it? Fill in the blanks. A brick is dash in shape. We have learned many times about. We have discussed.
Cuboid.
No,
Cuboid.
rectangle is the one face. Okay, just a minute. Wait.
2D face. Ma'am, 2D face.
2D
Yeah,
face.
wait a minute. See, you will find the brick in this shape always. Okay. It's a 2D shape or a 3D shape? First of all, tell me.
3D shape.
It's a 3D shape.
3D shape.
So the shape of this is cuboid. If it is a brick, suppose it's a brick you will find, and the shape of this is cuboid. If I say what is the face of each face of a cuboid, then you will say rectangle, right? Each face is rectangle, but the shape of this is cuboid. Got it, everyone? Yes. Jignesh also showing. If you want to see, Jignesh and Jignesh also showing you. Got it? So it's cuboid, each face of a brick. Now asking the each face. Suppose a brick, and now we are seeing the each face. So what is the shape of each face of a cuboid? Rectangle. Now it's rectangle, Arav. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
If you see, this is also rectangle, this is also rectangle. All the faces. How many faces this is having?
6.
How many faces?
6.
6. And if you see, each face is in rectangle shape.
Yes.
Dice is in which shape?
Cube.
Yes. And how many? A notebook has dash number of faces. First of all, you tell me
6.
what is the shape of
6.
a notebook?
Ma'am, cuboid. Cuboid.
Cuboid. And how many faces it's having?
6.
6.
Ma'am,
Yes.
6 faces. 12 edges and 12 edges and 8
12
corners.
edges
And
and
12
8
edges
vertices.
and 8 vertex.
Very good. It's not vertex, it's vertices. If it is only one, then only you will use the word vertex, because it's having many, plural, many vertices. So it is vertices, not vertex. Got it, everyone? Now go to the next word problems. A truck carries 3,500 bricks. How many bricks can 15 such trucks carry? Which operation you will apply? Multiplication for many. The capacity of a truck is given. This is the capacity of one truck. If you need to find out for many, you will multiply. Got it? Suppose I say one chocolate is of 20 rupees. And if you want to buy 10 chocolates, what will be the price of 10 chocolates? Please answer me. One is of 20. And what is the price of 10?
Ma'am, 200.
Very good. Very good. The cost of 1,000 brick is 3,200. Ram needs 500 bricks for his courtyard. How much he has to pay? The cost of
1,600.
1,000 bricks is this. First of all, what you will do, you will find the cost of one brick. The cost of 1,000 brick is given this 3,200. What will be the cost of one brick? Jignesh, if you have told the answer.
Ma'am, 32.
32. Just.
Ma'am, 3.2.
Yes. And then when you multiply it by 500, what will be the cost?
Ma'am, 1,600.
1,600. Because here the cost of many bricks is given. So you need to find out for one. Here which method is applied? We have learned one method. Unitary method. You need to find the cost of one. Then you need to find out the cost of many. Okay, got it? Cost, this is done, C1. Then we move to the, no, C1 is not done. The cost of 1,000 brick is 4,000. What is the cost of one brick then?
Ma'am, 4 rupees.
4
rupees.
Yes, and then what is the cost of 2,500 bricks?
Ma'am, 10,000.
10,000.
10,000.
No, it's
Ma'am,
10,000, my dear.
10,000.
4,000 divided by 1,000, the cost of one brick will come, that is 4. And when 4 will multiply by 2,500, you will get 10,000. Till here, everyone is clear? Yes, Riddhi is showing. Riddhi, your answers are correct? Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. We go to the now addition. So please check the answers. I will only show the display because see, check the answers. arrange the in the following and then choose. Just only check your final answer after adding these numbers whether this answer is coming or not. Is
Ma'am,
there
I
any
have
child?
in worksheet, summer holiday worksheet.
My all answers are correct.
What?
Ma'am, can you show it again?
Yeah, I will show. What, Dheer? What are you saying?
Ma'am, I have done addition in worksheet.
Okay. Please check the answers.
Ma'am, but I have not done in book. I have done in worksheet.
My
because I
dear, no problem, because for here I have not written do in the notebook. I've written, you can do it in the worksheet also, no problem.
Ma'am, can you show
Because
the
there is a
section?
because there is a space. First, let everyone do check these answers.
have
After that only. Please pay attention here. First answer is wait. I will call the child name. That child will read, because you children need to still confident to read the numbers. Diva Chauhan. Diva Chauhan. Can you please read what is the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read.
My first answer is 12, 9, 14.
No. I wanted how you will read with the place values. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So it will be 12,914. Got it, Diva?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, please read it with the place value. Hare. Next answer. Please read. Hare, please read what is
7,975.
your what is your answer?
7,975.
Good. Next is Dheer Kansara. Dheer,
Yes, ma'am.
please read the next answer when I'm showing it. Read it.
5.
This
Five.
answer, not this. The answer, not the question. Red one.
Answer is 6 lakh.
It's lakh. One stands 100,000.
6,000.
It's 6,000. Just check it again. Check it again. How it is 6,000? It's a 4-digit number. It's a 5-digit number.
60,000.
Yes, it's 60,000.
60,642.
Yes. Children, I please request you start reading the numbers according to their place values. Please do practice. Next child. Please mute yourself now.
Ma'am, can I read the next one?
No, I will call the child name. Hiya Verma. Hiya Verma.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the answer of the D one.
D. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my answer is 14463.
No, read it with the place values.
Okay.
Read it fast.
9,000.
My dear, these only you need to read the red one. आपको red ही पढ़ना है and read it with the place values. This is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So how you will read this complete number?
14,463.
Good. This way I want the answers. Good. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next will be Mohammad Momin. Mohammad,
ma'am.
read the next one. E1. E.
54,502.
502. Not end will use. Okay. Next is Arav Hapani will read for me.
Then 3,158.
Good. So I hope you all have checked these answers. Can I move to the subtraction now? Okay. Please check your subtraction answer. And after this, today you will get at 10:15. You will get this answer key. You can check the answers at home also. And please, after checking, attach your work where I have posted the link. Got it? Separately, I have created a math summer holiday homework. There only you will attach your work, but after checking your all the answers. Got it, everyone? So we move to the subtraction, and I will call the child name. That child only read the answer. Just a minute. Lakshya Dola. Lakshya, read the answer number A.
Answer number A, ma'am.
Yes. If you not give the quick answer, I'll move to the other child.
4,000.
Not the question. I am asking the answer only, which is in red. Which is in red.
Red. 2,000.
To simply read the answer, my dear. Lakshya,
What, ma'am?
please read it fast.
Yes.
I'll go to Vedi. Vedi, you will read the next B1. Then Moksh Patel will read the C1. Moksh Patel. Moksh Patel, you are there in the class, right?
Yes.
Please read the third one, C1. Please read the answer.
4,796.
Excellent. I want this type of quick answer. Vedi, read the B1. Vedi. Not responding in the class. Go to the next, Pritika.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the B answer.
31,059.
No. It's not 31,000.
Ma'am, 3,159.
Excellent. Go to the next. I will go to Dhwani. Dhwani, D answer.
Yes, ma'am. 1,616.
Yes. Next, I will go to Shivani. Shivani, read the next E answer. Shivani.
35,896.
Excellent. I will go to Riddhi. Riddhi, read the next F answer.
Yes. 4,141.
Yes. This is the way you need to read the numbers. Okay. Got it, everyone? Next time, I'll give chance to other students also. So be alert, be quick in the class, not to think, and sit in the silent place so that no background voice should come. Clear? Okay. Thank you. Thank you, children, for today's class. I'll
Bye,
send
ma'am.
this.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Good day.
Thank you.